Carlye, and I'm here to show you how to make some paper gladiolus. So gladiola is probably not a flower you're familiar with, but it is the birth flower for those in August. So because it's August, I decided we're gonna make some paper gladiolus. So I already made most of mine. What you're going to see in your kit is a green piece of paper. You're going to see some red, pink, and yellow pieces of paper. And basically this craft is long, but it's the same step over and over again. So I'm going to show you the step once, and then you're just going to keep on repeating it. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to first we have to make the stem. So take your green piece of paper and we are going to roll it. So you're going to roll it by starting in one corner here and just kind of roll it. Keep on rolling until there's almost nothing left to roll. And while we're rolling, I'm going to teach you some facts about gladiolas. So gladiolas are a symbol of strength, victory, healing, honor, moral character, and intelligence. So that's a lot of really good stuff. Okay, so you're gonna keep rolling until you have one corner left to roll. That's when you're gonna get your glue. You're gonna get your glue, and you're gonna put glue on that last corner. And roll it into your stem like that. So there you go. We have our stem, and then you're just going to set it aside for now, and then you're going to grab one of your other colors. So what you're going to do next is you're going to take your pencil and you're going to trace a flower like that. Hopefully you can see it. So it's going to have 4 petals, and trace it first with your pencil, and then we're going to cut it out. So I did most of my flower. I just have this one yellow petal left. I gave you enough paper to make about 6 or 7, maybe even 8 if you make them small, 6 or 7 flowers to glue onto your stem. Alright, so gladiolas are one of the flowers that each color represents something different. So red represents love and romance. Pink represents compassion and a mother's love. Yellow represents friendship and joy, and purple represents fortune and beauty. So I have given you 3 out of those 4 colors. So we're gonna have a bouquet full of flowers that represent love, compassion, and friendship. And then white gladiolas also represent innocence, just like in any other flower, really. Alright, so now that we have our flower, we are going to fold it in half so that it makes it easier to fold those petals, to see those individual petals. So we're going to fold it in half, and then we're going to fold it in half again, like that. Alright, then unfold it. And next thing we're going to do to get this curled petal look, you're going to take your pencil and you're going to wrap the tip of one of your petals around the pencil, and then you're just going to keep rolling like that, and then you're going to hold it for a little bit so that the flower petal becomes nice and stiff, and then you can let it go. So see, we got a nice curled flower. So you're going to do that for the rest of your petals. And I'll tell you a little bit more about gladiolus. So they're also known as the sword lily because the shape kind of looks like a sword. And the word gladiola comes from a Latin word. So Latin is what they used to speak in ancient Rome. And the Latin word is gladius, which means sword. So you're going to notice that gladiola and gladius kind of sounds like another word, like gladiator. And that's because the Roman gladiators would wear the gladiola flower around their neck in competitive games. And then the winners, when a gladiator won, the winner would be showered in gladiola petals by the audience. So because of all that, gladiolas were called the flowers of the gladiator. That's pretty cool. So next thing we're going to do, now that we have our flower done, is we are going to just glue it on our stem. So put some glue. And then in Victorian times, the Romantics believed that the gladiola can pierce someone's heart with love. So kind of like Cupid's arrow, the gladiola can pierce someone's heart with love. And they're also traditionally given as a gift for 40th anniversaries. All right, so that was the last petal for my flower. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to repeat all those steps with the rest of your papers. So do it for your red paper to make red flowers, your pink, and the rest of your yellow. And then you're going to just surround your stem with these petals. And now you have a gladiola. All right. So I'm glad you guys can join me and that you can make these little gladiolas that are going to live forever. And I hope you enjoyed learning facts about the birth flower for August. And I hope you guys have a great day.